Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's a little different because it's raining, but it doesn't mean we can't do this. Yeah. So we're heading to Johor
Johor Bahru.
in Malaysia.
Yeah, Malaysia.
Yeah. And
Starting point is here, Chinatown, Singapore. But it's our first time to crossing this border.
Yeah,
Never done this. We are also so excited to see what's coming on. And actually, we don't have rush also today. We can enjoy our trip.
really?
Yeah, we don't need to rush nowhere.
I'm so excited. Oh, gosh. We'll be using public transportation and let's see how it goes.
We just checked Google Map.
And we need to walk half kilometer to go train station.
Yeah. Massive amount of people puzzling in these umbrellas. We arrived train station and we're looking our train.
God, I'm so wet. But yeah, the station makes us dry and comfortable at the moment.
We need to go with this NSL line. The moment we are here Raffle place, we take this red line NS, so long trip, and jumping out Kranje station, and there we continue our trip, and we're going here somewhere Woodlands, and there we are, Malaysia, Johor Bahru.
Let's go.
It looks so easy to navigate in Singapore. So much train lines. So many. That's simple. You just don't need any ticket or something. You just using your bank card, and we are in train station. This? Yep. This is our, let's go. First time in Singapore train. So it is not that much people. Try to sit somewhere. Maybe let's go this way, so we can sit together. We even find a seat there. Last time I tried a train in Manila. Maybe this is maybe some priority seat. Sit there. How this train looks. Air conditioned. Nice train. Of course, but whispering, then it's okay.
Doors are closing.
They have color coding. They have color coding. Mint green is for normal people.
Next station.
Maybe.
And green one is for seniors.
Look. So different. think we move underground tunnel because I haven't seen any light. Train moving super smoothly and fast. It's good to take our time out and get a bit rest because trip coming somewhere half hour I think. 10 hour stop. Finally, sunlight. Beautiful green city, Singapore.
It's strange, I don't feel sleepy the first time in my life.
Yeah, talking girl who can sleep inside jeepney, tricycle, even holding a motorcycle driver when he's using motorcycle taxi. And now you didn't feel sleepy.
It's strange, it's like I feel something like butterfly in my stomach and I feel like so excited at the same time, like I feel amused about the landscape while on the way here.
Yeah, and we're going Malaysia.
Yes, and
Excited?
yep.
We need to take the bus more. Then the checkpoint. Look how fast it is going. So fast, escalator. Huh?
Look,
Huh?
it looks like we're in the zombie land.
No, I think it's just not overcrowded city like not Malaysia. No,
Philippines.
yeah, Philippines.
Philippines is like have you seen
yeah.
this like
So
we can't even go directly to that.
yeah,
This is like you have to line up before you go coming out from this.
look how many free there is. Go where you want. But we need to use card again to go out. Okay, let's see how much it costs. Take. Let's see.
First.
Try first, yeah. Let's see. Maybe it's showing price then. Viewers can know how much it costs. Hand card, simply go. It's not showing price. So simple.
Easy?
Ah,
Is it easy?
yeah, it's so simple using train system.
Look.
We need to go bus station now. Oh, there is a lot of food everywhere. Coming out, you can eat there. But we're coming here to fill our
What should we
Malaysia
put here?
arrival card. Wait.
We have bus number ready? No?
No, I think bus is okay. Just write bus there, and it's
Okay.
fine.
Thank you.
We're filling our Malaysia arrival card because you can't pass immigration if you don't have that. You need to do this. You can do early as 3 days. Is it early as 3 days you can do? Yeah. Yeah, you must fill this before you going immigration.
I mean, if they have no time to fill this while they stay on their place, they can make it while on the public transportation like train or stuff.
Basically, yeah. I don't know. It's take how long it's have taken? 5 minutes max. Yeah. Okay. And now we going bus if it's done.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay. It's so good when you're not rushed. You just can enjoy your day. Just doing your arrival card here. You can go eat. You can just enjoy like your regular day. I hate when we are rushed, like running, looking time. Do we miss our flight or missing our bus? But there is. I see the bus is just going every 5 minutes. Let's take our right bus. We need to go other side bus stop to go Johor Bahru checkpoint. It's too full. Looks like we don't fit this bus. We need to wait another one. So full. So full. I don't know there is coming more people in bus or not.
You sit down upstairs. I'm just moving the bags.
At the moment we're heading to Woodlands Checkpoint. We're going Singapore immigration. How are you feeling? You're going out Singapore now.
Yeah.
Oh, sadly I can't make a photo and video. I stopped making video and I talk later what's happened here. Now we're heading with bus Malaysia checkpoint.
And sadly my card is not working here, so I have to pay ticket for now. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, we paid with cash. I don't know what's happened with her card. You want to talk what's happened in Singapore immigration? You want to share how this process was?
It was so easy and smooth, and also when you scan your passport and immigration, it's automatically reading what language you're using it and what country you're from. Yeah, and it's like it's translated into screen like it's like proseso pumasok na. Yeah, it's good.
Okay guys, anyway we are soon in Malaysia immigration. Bus is at the moment between Singapore and Malaysia border. We are in the bridge at the moment. There is Malaysia, there is Singapore. This very busy border. Look how slowly we're moving, and so many cars there. Immigration making.
We arrived at Johor Bahru, but still in the bridge. No, we're not.
Not bridge anymore. We're going now Malaysia immigration.
Yes.
Let's see, is it same smooth like
It's going to be smooth.
denied your passport and saying you need to go back?
Okay, fine.
Johor Bahru immigration. So much people trying to cross this border. Bus is coming. Look, man. Now Malaysia immigration is done here. You want to share your experience?
Yeah, I'm still nervous because back there, it's like it's take a while when they put this stamp because they usually need your return ticket. And I was like, I can't see. I mean, I can show anything because we don't plan to.
Go like Philippines yet. We're planning to go Thailand after that. And using land, we don't have any ticket. I don't
so
have any
nervous.
Estonia ticket. Like, and what this guy said,
he's like effort to go out from the crib.
Asking advice somebody.
Yeah, I was giving advice like next time when you come back, when you visit here in the country, you have to present your return ticket to us.
Yeah,
I was like, thank you.
Yeah, we're thankful.
Actually, it's not only in the Philippines passport holder. It's all people who have passport, it's required to have a return ticket when you come here in Malaysia.
What we need? No need. We need some local money and we need SIM card.
SIM card,
I seen
local
there
money.
is we
SIM
can.
card, money changer, and food, please.
Okay, let's do it. Let's start with changing money a little bit.
Okay. And that's it for now.
We're changing 150 Singapore dollar with I don't know even what kind the currency name is. Real maybe.
Can
How much we get? Almost 500 RM real. I think real. You can read. Show me the bill. Who is this king? Show me another bill. Same guy everywhere. Ringgit.
Ringgit?
Ringgit. Yes, ringgit. There is some phone stuff. Let's check. Maybe we can install SIM. Buy the internet here. This. Let's take this out.
This one?
Yeah.
Enak sudah ngomong.
They are officially now Johor Bahru street arrived in Malaysia.
Yeah.
How it feels to be Malaysia?
Feels like Philippines. Crowded.
It's quiet actually.
Oh, quiet.
Okay, what snack you eating now?
It's bread.
Milk cake.
And it's, look, line up for transportation. It's like and we try to book Grab, but it's hella expensive.
Yeah. Let's use public transportation to go our hotel. I want to show you just this how to commute here. We don't have no information. I haven't seen. I haven't looked at any video.
And also we cannot film every part here because it's not allowed. There's part of the corner of this place is not allowed to film. We actually have clip there up there, but the security came to us and says you have to delete the video.
Yeah, and then we deleted the video. How it is. It's good.
Actually, you're right. Yeah. And so far, we don't know if how long this video. I mean, what is this? The right turn? It's like we don't have freedom to film everywhere here. So as long as we can film something, we will, just to show you how
Life is here. Do we need also line up? We want to buy a bus ticket. I think
Is this bus ticket?
maybe yes.
We need to ask.
Yeah.
Do you trust them? I don't. It's really weird to feel like a foreigner.
Let's see. So many people waiting bus here. What do you think about?
Going back to Hassel Lines. It's like coming out from BGC. From the organized to again back to normal.
Look man, how much people is there.
Up terminal.
T3.
T3.
We need to wait there and buy ticket there.
You can buy on the bus.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Anyway, we need to go there line and the ticket is only buying for bus. Look man, this line here. What is our line?
I didn't imagine we will use this here. From the
Isabella, yes.
Mercedes Rain Mercedes Garden. Dang, it's so hot. It feels like Philippines really.
People heating up.
And it's just that it's hard. That's why all people, because there's no bus stop. Peter Tito is not yet there. So.
Why do you think how long we need to wait?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Maybe until we have. I don't know.
I don't know what's happened here. It's not moving, any bus not coming, any complete nothing. People just going away in the line. I already thinking maybe we also take taxi and go with taxi.
Actually, so many people taking taxi already.
Yeah. Let's wait a little bit more and then take also taxi if it's not. Baby, I think this budget traveling killing our mental health. When we standing 1 more hour in this line, we have standing like 1 hour already this line.
Actually, you have two choices. Get cheaper transportation and wait here for about an hour.
I don't know. I have no information. Bus is not coming. Line not moving. Or we just take Grab and we pay a lot, and at least we are fine. Because I am very tired also.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe.
Let's take Grab.
Okay, then let's go. This is enough for today. We tried actually.
Yeah.
We tried our best, but it's not moving and bus is not coming. It's really hard to commute when it's night.
Anyway, this time I don't show how to commute with bus here. But maybe next time.
Sadly.
Stuck, yes. Just came out and booked our Grab. Right. There is roof. So much people here in the border. So much. And they're coming more. So busy. How your day is?
I don't know. It sucks.
Now it sucks. Early it was great.
It's like feel emotions and also it feels like different weather to me also. It's like hot, cold and rain. And earlier I was so happy, so energetic and stuff, and now I feel so sleepy and tired. My shoulder actually is like wants to collapse anytime soon, but yeah, we need to stay strong.
This is the craziest Grab ride I ever taken. 2 hours road. I don't know what is causing this traffic jam. Traffic not moving.
It's traffic everywhere. Like
Everywhere. Where this car is coming, I don't know. 2 hours. Now our driver.
we're almost actually 3 hours here.
3 hours.
Almost.
And now our driver is left to go because she wanted to take pee. Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Me too, baby. Be strong.
We're glad because we ate a lot in breakfast earlier,
Mm.
and but we skipped lunch and
Yeah. Finally, we're here. What time is? Time is 9:30 evening. What time we started Singapore? 12? I think 12. We're tired. We are
Hungry.
hungry.
wet.
How is your mood is now?
I mean, I feel okay. It's just
Now we need to go check in our hotel. Keep eye our channel, like, subscribe, comment. We like a lot comments to read.
where I want to go next, and we want to know how long this video goes. You know?
And
How far? I mean, how far this video goes. We want to know.
yep. Okay. Ciao.